We're at Treherbert station today taking a look at some of the transformation work that's going on along the Treherbert line. We're almost halfway through our transformation programme here and we've already seen some significant milestones achieved. Come along and take a look.
We are building a brand new island platform. You can see it's well underway. The PCC units are mostly in, and then the team now are doing the deep drainage work. Once the excavation is complete, the tension tanks are in, the track team will come to build the new loop line.
So we currently stood at the end of the Treherbert line. This is where the token exchange system used to be, and this will be replaced with state-of-the-art signalling to come, which will be commissioned later on in the year in order to run our new metro vehicles. We'll also be refurbing the Treherbert station with new facilities for our customers to use, and further behind me we'll also be installing accommodation building for our staff who work up and down the Treherbert line. So we're now here at Dinas station. It's really good to see the progress that's been made at this site. So we've demolished both existing platforms and we'll be building new platforms either side, which means that it will be double track rather than single track, enhancing the frequency of trains coming through. So we've got the foundations in ready for the new footbridge. It'll be installed with stairs and lift coming soon. And then just further up we'll be having new waiting shelters and help points for our customers.
We've managed to demolish the redundant platform on the upside. We've installed 157 piles to a depth of 10.5 metres. On top of that then we've installed 88 precast units, which has formed the new platform.
So we're now at Porth Station. We've installed parapet extensions which protects our customers from the OLE wiring, which will be installed shortly. You can also see the new Porth interchange hub which has been constructed, which will integrate bus and train travel for the Rhondda Valleys. So once we've completed the transformation work, we'll then enter a period of training our train drivers up with using the new equipment, travelling along the new tracks. So whilst the training's ongoing, we'll be bringing back the old fleet for customers to use the services, and then once they've all been trained, we will reintroduce the new metro vehicles early next year. So we'd like to extend a big thanks to our teams for all the hard work. We'd also like to thank our customers and lineside neighbours for being patient with us whilst we carry out these important upgrades to give you your South Wales Metro.